Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Acrobat PDF editing and PDF security. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply remove password from any PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Let me show you how. So I have a particular PDF as an example right here. So this particular PDF right here, you can see password protected PSD to PDF. So if I try to drag this to open in Acrobat workspace, it requires password protect. How can we remove password from this type of PDF and continue to have access to the PDF in the future? So what we want to do is to enter the current password, hit on OK, then boom, you have access to the PDF right here, just like what you see right here. Now we want to see how we can simply remove password entirely from the PDF file. How do we do that? What you want to do right here is to come to the top right here, navigate to the menu tab right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here to protection, proceed to security properties right here. So under the security properties right here, it's take you right here. So you want to make sure you come to password security right here, click on here and make sure you choose no security. And this is going to pump up right here. What you want to do next here is to go ahead and simply hit on OK, and come down below right here, simply hit on OK, and you are done. Lastly, you want to make sure that you save this particular file so that you have full access to it in the future. So what you need to do right here is to simply press Ctrl S on your keyboard, and the file is going to automatically save as PDF. So I'm going to go ahead now, right click, and then close this particular tab right here. Then we want to make sure we look for the new PDF that was saved without password. So we want to refer back to the folder. So here we go. This is it right here. We want to simply click on it and drag it into my Adobe Acrobat. Boom. It opens straight up without asking me for PDF. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Adobe Acrobat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.